Gawa naman tayo ng light dinner for today's video at napakasimple lang ng gagawin natin. Ito nga ang main ingredient. Or you can replace it with what's available in your pantry. You'll also be needing tortilla wrap of your choice. In this recipe, gumamit ako ng spinach tortilla. Wala lang para kunwari healthy, char. As you can see, I slice it halfway para mamaya ma-fold natin siya ng maayos. And then, just arrange the ingredients of your choice. For the dressing, gumamit ako ng mayonnaise and honey and then nilagay ko na rin yung mga ibang ingredients like the cheese, of course the spam, lettuce, avocados, and tomatoes or kung ano pang gusto mong idagdag. And then just fold lang like so. And let's make more. After which, on the same pan kung saan natin niluto yung spam, doon natin siya ito-toast. And then, let's just press it both sides para mas ma-toast siya. Or kung ayaw mo naman ng toasted, you can eat it as is. And now we have our spam tortilla.